Hello dear students, in this video we are going to discuss some complex or some critical questions on inverse trigonometric functions. These questions are very useful in entrance exam. So for entrance exam point of view, the questions are very important. So in a very simple manner, so we'll discuss how to solve this type of question. Cos of tan inverse of sine of cot inverse of x is equal to what? So how we solve this? We consider that cot inverse of x, say it is theta. So let cot inverse of x is equal to theta. So therefore we are getting x is equal to cot theta. We are getting x is equal to cot theta. Now it becomes sine of cot inverse, that is sine of theta. Now it is sine of cot inverse of x. So cot inverse of x is theta, therefore it becomes sine theta. And sine theta I will write as 1 upon cosec theta. Now cosec theta is 1 upon square root of cot square theta. We can express it in cot theta. Cot square theta plus 1. Now 1 plus cot square theta. So that is x square. So this is equal to sine of cot inverse x is equal to 1 upon root of this cot square theta, that is cot of theta is equal to x. Cot of theta is equal to x. So therefore it is x square plus 1. X square plus 1. That is sine of cot inverse of x. Now we will consider this tan inverse sine of cot inverse x. Tan inverse of sine of cot inverse x, that is equal to, up to this sine of cot inverse, that is sine of theta, and sine of theta is equal to that sine of cot inverse is equal to this. We can denote it by 1. So this we can write as tan inverse of 1 upon root of x square plus 1. This is by 1. This sine of cot inverse x is equal to 1 upon root of x square minus plus 1 and tan inverse of that. Let us take this is equal to theta, suppose. See another, that is phi suppose. So now we consider this cos of tan inverse of sine of cot inverse of x. So we consider this. Now we are having this tan inverse of sine of cot inverse x, that is equal to phi. So therefore this we can write as cos of, the whole term is what? Phi over here. So that is cos of phi. Now this cos phi we can write as 1 upon sec phi. 1 upon sec phi. Now 1 upon sec phi we write as, this is equal to 1 upon root of sec square phi. Sec square phi, and that is equal to 1 upon root of sec square phi will write 1 plus tan square phi. Tan square phi. Now we can get tan phi. So tan inverse of this is equal to phi. Therefore, see, from this we can write tan inverse of, see we are having here from 2, tan inverse of root of 1 by root of x square plus 1, that is equal to phi. Therefore tan phi is equal to 1 upon root of x square plus 1. X square plus 1. Now we substitute over here. Tan phi is 1 upon root of x square plus 1. We substitute over here. So therefore, we substitute over here. This is to find cos of tan inverse of sine of cot inverse of x. Sine of cot inverse x is 1 upon root of x square plus 1. Therefore tan inverse of 1 upon, so it is therefore cos of tan inverse of, this is 1 upon root of x square plus 1. Now it is cos of tan inverse of 1 upon root of x square plus 1. Now we took this is equal to phi. We consider this tan inverse of 1 upon root of x square plus 1, that is equal to phi. So tan inverse of 1 upon root of x square plus 1, we substitute phi. So this become cos of phi. Cos of phi is 1 upon sec phi root of sec square phi, that is 1 plus tan square phi. Now tan phi from this we can get. So tan phi is 1 upon root of x square plus 1. So we are having tan phi is 1 upon root of x square plus 1. So therefore we substitute over here tan phi. So value of tan phi we substitute here, so that it is equal to 1 upon square root of 1 plus tan phi. Tan phi is 1 upon root of x square plus 1. So it is square of that. So 1 upon x square plus 1 only. Square root will be removed. And this after simplifying, we will get root of this x square plus 1 will be in numerator. X square plus 1 in the denominator. X square plus 1 and plus 1 will be in the denominator, and it is equal to root of x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. X square plus 2. So the first answer is applicable over here. Root of x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. First answer is applicable. Question is cos of tan inverse of sine of cos inverse of x is what? So we'll start with this cos inverse of x. We take theta, then this becomes sine theta. Then we write what? Tan inverse of sine of cos inverse x. So let us begin with this cos inverse of x. We take theta. So let cos inverse of x is equal to theta. Therefore x will be equal to cos of theta. Now this whole term will consider sine of, we consider sine of cos inverse of x. That will become sine of cos inverse. Cos inverse x is theta. So it becomes sine theta. Sine theta. Now this sine theta in terms of cos we can express, because we are having here cos theta is equal to x. So therefore it is root of 1 minus cos square theta. Root of 1 minus cos square theta. And that is equal to root of 1 minus x square, because cos theta is equal to x. Therefore we start with this tan inverse of sine of cos inverse of x, that is equal to tan inverse of, now this part sine of cos inverse x, that is equal to root of 1 minus x square. So that is equal to root of 1 minus x square. Now let us take this is equal to phi. We'll take this is equal to phi. Therefore what we get, tan phi is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. So we get tan pi is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. Now we start with this cos of tan inverse of sine of cos inverse x. We start with this. That gives us, now this part is, it is equal to phi. So that is equal to what? Cos of phi. Because here we are getting tan inverse of sine of cos inverse of x, and that is equal to phi. So here we will write in place of this phi, that is cos of phi. But cos of phi we can express in terms of tan phi. So that is equal to 1 upon sec phi again, which is 1 upon root of tan square phi plus 1, tan square phi plus 1, and we are having tan phi is equal to root of 1 minus x square. So that we substitute over here, and it gives us 1 upon square root of tan square phi. Tan square phi will be what? Square root will be removed, and it is 1 minus x square, and plus 1 is there. Tan phi is equal to this. So this is what? Tan phi square, and plus 1, which is 1 upon root of 1 and this 1, 2 minus x square. So cos of tan inverse of sine of cos inverse x, and that is equal to 1 upon root of 2 minus x square. So 1 upon root of 2 minus x square. Question is cos inverse of x by 2 plus cos inverse of y by 3 plus theta, that is equal to, then 9x square minus 12xy cos theta plus 4y square is equal to what? So we can use here formula cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, that is equal to cos inverse of xy minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. So our x is this, the whole term is x, this is y, that is y by 3. So therefore we write here, this is equal to, left hand side is equal to cos inverse of x into y. So x into y means x by 2 into y by 3 plus, so minus it is, because plus sign is here, minus root of 1 minus x square upon 4 into root of 1 minus y square upon 9, and that is given, it is equal to theta, that is equal to theta. Cos inverse of x into y minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square, and the right hand side is given theta, so that we can write it cos theta. So this term will be equal to xy upon 6 minus root of 4 minus x square into root of 9 minus y square upon this 4 and this 9, and that is equal to cos inverse of this is theta, so therefore it is cos theta. Now this is 36, that is square root of 36 means 6. We write it is xy upon 6 minus root of 4 minus x square into root of 9 minus y square, and upon square root of 36 we will write 6, and which is equal to cos of theta. So xy minus root of, we multiply 36 minus 4y square minus 9x square and plus x square y square. Cross multiplication gives us 6 cos theta. 6 cos theta. We take this to the right hand side and square it. So that minus 6 36 root of 36 minus 4y square minus 9x square plus x square y square and that is equal to minus 6 cos theta minus xy. 6 cos theta minus xy. We square both sides now. Now if we square both sides, this negative sign will goes and it will be square root also, and 36 minus 4y square minus 9x square plus x square y square is equal to square of the right hand side 36 cos square theta, 2 times of that minus 12 xy cos theta plus square of the last term, that is x square y square. Now here x square y square is getting cancelled from either side. We take these 2 terms to the right hand side and this 36 cos square theta to the left hand side. So that gives us 36 minus 36 cos square theta, and the right hand side will become 4x square 9x square. This will go in the right hand side 4y square, and in the right hand side we are having this 12xy cos theta minus 12xy cos theta is the right hand side. 36 we take common from here, so that it is 36 common 1 minus cos square theta, and right hand side is 9x square 4y square. We will write in the middle term, that is minus 12 xy cos theta plus 4y square. So 1 minus cos square theta will give us sin square theta. So therefore it is 36 into sin square theta is equal to 9x square 12xy cos theta 4y square. That means 9x square minus 12xy cos theta plus 4y square, that is equal to 36 sin square theta. So 36 sin square theta will be the correct option. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.